Hello student, first standard maths. Welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic number 13, money. 13.1, identify the coins and notes. All of you know coin and notes, but see here, this one is a 50 paisas coin. Now in the market we don't use this one, okay, but see here, this one a 50 paisa, right there, paise. Here also write paise. See in your textbook, okay, 50 paise, right. Next one, rupees 1. See here, rupaya, right there, rupaya. Here is 1 and here 2 symbols are there. Then rupees 2, rupees 2, right there. This one coin of rupees 5, rupees 5. This one coin of rupees 10. 5 rupees coin also, note also there. This one is a 5 rupees notes. This one rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50, and this one rupees 100. When you go to the shop and purchase anything, we require their money. We require the money to buy that thing. See here. Here is one cake. How many rupees? 10 rupees. This one hair belt. How many rupees? 8 rupees. This one notebook. How many rupees? 20. When we all things bought, for the cake you give the rupees 10. For the hair belt you bought there, that time give the rupees 8. And notebook you bought there, you purchase there, you give the rupees 20. Okay, now open the page number 69. Exercise. Observe the articles and their price. Put a tick, correct tick, for the coin or notes that has been to paid by them. Now see here, rupees 2. This one is a lollipop. You buy there for rupees 2. See here, how many coins given? Rupees 5 rupees 1 note, 50 paisas 1 coin, 2 rupees 1 note, and 1 rupees 1 coin. Which one you give the shopkeeper? Rupees 2. Okay, you have the 5 rupees 1 note, 50 paisas 1 coin, 1 rupees 1 coin, 2 rupees 1 note. That time when you buy their lollipop, that time you give their rupees 2. Rupees 2. Okay. Next one is a ice cream is there. Ice cream for rupees 50. Ice cream for rupees 50. 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 50 rupees 1 note, 20 rupees 1 note. That time which item give you? Which note? 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees 1 note you give there. Okay. Next one, apples are there. Next one, apples are there. How many rupees? 10. There you have how many rupees? 1 rupees 1 coin, 5 rupees 1 coin, 2 rupees 1 coin, 10 rupees 1 coin. That time you give there 10 rupees only 1 coin give. Now next one, cupcake, rupees 20. Cupcake for rupees 20. That time you have rupees 20 is 1 note, rupees 5 rupees 1 note, 50 rupees 1 note, 2 rupees 1 note. Which note give you? 20 rupees 1 note. Okay, all of you understand now how to do. Next one, identify the coins and currency notes given below. Match the coins and notes with their value, value. See here all coins, and here give you rupees. Okay, this one, first one 50 paise. See here, where is a 50 paise? Here. See in your textbook also. This one how many rupees? 1. Where is 1 rupees? First one. This one 2 rupees. Join there, 2 rupees. This one 5 rupees. 10 rupees. Okay. Now given you here all notes. First one rupees 1. 1 rupees. Second one 2 rupees. Third one 5 rupees. Fourth one 10 rupees. Where we wrote 10 rupees, join there. 20 rupees, where is? And third one is a 50 rupees. All of you understand how to join? Okay. Next one what? Money addition. Money addition. Which two coins or notes will you have the to buy following things? Following things means given you rupees, and which coin and which notes give you and to buy that thing. See, that type you add there. First one pencil is rupees 7, but 7 rupees note is available in the market? No. That time what you do? 5 rupees 1 coin. Here 2 rupees 5 rupees 1 note, and 2 rupees 1 note here coin. Give to the shopkeeper and buy the pencil, and buy the pencil. Next one watermelon is there. That one is that cost is a 25. That cost is a 25 rupees. That time what you do? 20 rupees 1 note and 5 rupees 1 coin. Give to the shopkeeper and buy the watermelon. Next one pineapple is there. That 1 rupees 20 rupees. 10 rupees 1 note, rupees 10. Second one note, 10 plus 10 20. Okay. Next one mug is there, rupees 12. That time what you do? 10 rupees 1 note, 2 rupees 1 coin give to the shopkeeper and purchase their mug. Next one lollipop is there, rupees 3. That time what you do? 2 rupees 1 coin, 1 rupees 1 coin, and you shop buy to the lollipop. Next one pencil box, rupees 30. Rupees 20 1 note, rupees 10 1 note. Give to the shopkeeper and buy their pencil box. Question number 2. Which fruit can you buy? Match the correct set of notes and coins with the fruits. Rupees 5. 10 plus 5 15. Next one 5 plus 2 plus 2 9 rupees. 5 plus 5 10 rupees. See here 2 rupees 2 coin 4 rupees. 1 rupees 1 note 5 rupees. Means last one is a match there. Next one rupees 10. 5 plus 5 10. Rupees 15. 10 rupees 1 note, 5 rupees 1 coin. Give to the shopkeeper and buy the grapes. Next one pears is there. Rupees 9 rupees. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. To buy. Okay. All of you understand how to do? Here money topic is completed. Today's homework page number 69, 70 and 71 completed. Okay. This one completed. See in your home coins notes, which is the 1 rupees coin, which is the 2 rupees, new and old, all things you see there. Okay, in your home. Thank you.